Now, once the smart lock has been paired with one of your Quoya or Smart Life accounts, that account is automatically the admin. Once that is paired, no other person can pair with this lock anymore. It's completely locked out. So if you want to reset it, the only way to reset this lock is from using the administrator Quoya or Smart Life account. Select, click onto this pencil icon, remove device, and click on disconnect and wipe data. This is the only way to put it back into testing mode and wipe and factory reset this lock.